Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. ICP is still holding the communicated support area. You can see that here. This is the orange support region and the price is currently dancing on the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement of the third wave rally. That's here at $17.63. The micro support area is defined between $14.78 and $17.63. I'm currently watching for one more high. I would expect one more high. I will change my perspective below $14.78. And as long as we're holding that level, however, yeah, one more high is expected. If I zoom out a little bit, you can see that with this last high, we already have visually five waves to the upside completed since the September low. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4 as a running flat and a wave 5, but it's forming something that you could call maybe a bit of a bullish flag there. So that fifth wave ideally gets one more high as well. And that could take us obviously into this target region further. The price has not only formed 5 waves up already, we've also reached the 38.2 Fibonacci extension at $20.77, and it got rejected there. So it's absolutely possible the top is in, but the market hasn't given us any, let's say, confirmation that a top is in place yet, and therefore I prefer to go with the trend and suggest that we could get one more high. But it would be most likely the fifth wave of the of the larger first wave, and then a wave 2 pullback could happen afterwards, which could be quite deep. Now, in an alternative perspective, we're still talking here and dealing with, dealing with this yellow count, which is a larger A, B, C structure, which is a slightly different count, which is also one of the reasons why I don't want to confirm a top in place until we have a break of support, because in this count, the price could stretch in this C wave to $61 next. Yeah, that's the 100% extension level of the A wave to the upside that unfolded between September and the January high. Yeah, and for now, there is nothing in here that would suggest a top in place at all. Rather, as you can see here, we're sort of forming this kind of flag pattern. Okay, it's not a very clean bull flag, even though we might be able to actually draw a trend line here. A bit like that maybe. And maybe it's forming into a bit of a channel or wedge pattern. And once we have a breakout to the upside, this would confirm continuation to the upside. And I cannot really calculate a micro target until I have a low in place for wave 4. But maybe, let's just assume the low might be in. In this scenario, upside targets are between $21.34 and $25 just for one more high in wave 5 of 1. That's my update about ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.